Welcome back to our Seated Tai Chi challenge. Today we're going to be doing Tai Chi breathing, which is how it's typically presented. Tai Chi breathing and sometimes Tai Chi warm-ups are Qigong, linking breath to motion in a mindful manner. Tai Chi breathing is a short practice that can be used as a warm-up or for a practice all by itself for people who want a calm, soothing, short practice using Tai Chi movements, linking them to the breath. This works as a warm-up. This works to calm the body and make the mind tranquil. So let's begin. You're in a safe place. You've chosen what to do if you're interrupted, and you've got a sturdy chair. Float the head, straighten the back, and follow me as if I am your reflection in a mirror, with your hands, with your palms on your knees or your lap, or by your sides. Just lift the arms up, palm down. Palm stays down, slightly to the front as it sinks. We have already learned this. This is lifting water. Inhale up. Exhale down, breathing in, breathing out. Relax, sigh of relief. Like water is lifting up your hands effortlessly and dropping them back down. Breathing in, no effort. Breathing out, sinking, relaxing. Inhale, floating. Exhale, sinking. And then let the hands float up. Let the palms face the front. 10 fingers to the sky. Palms to the front. Relax the shoulders, drop the elbows. Continue breathing long, slow, deep breaths. Nice. Now the palms turn in like we're holding a ball. Out in front. We're going to separate the hands. Inhale as we open up the chest. And exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. If you feel safe, you can close your eyes and relax more and more. Link your breath to the motion of opening your arms for the inhale, and the hands come back together toward each other and exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, open, and exhale, close. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. 3 more. Holding the ball in front, rotate the ball. Right hand on the bottom, left hand on top. Sink the ball down to about belly level. The top hand compresses more and you exhale. And then the ball expands and the hand rises, top hand rises. Then exhale, compress. Inhale, expand. Breathing out as you compress the ball. Breathing in as you allow the ball to expand with your breath, your inhale. Exhale. And then we're going to transition. The ball expands and then rotates. Right hand is on top now. Then it compresses down and floats up. Inhale, exhale. I'm using the sigh of relief. You can also breathe out through your nose if you want. And then we're going to perform this movement side to side. So we rotate the ball, yin-yang hands, one up, one down. To the other side, compress, exhale. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, compress. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, compress. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, compress. Last time, compress the ball. Then let it expand and rotate and come back up in front of the chest. Palms to the front, fingers to the sky. Palm floats down, back to rest. A quick check-in. How do you feel physically, mentally, and emotionally? Did you notice any shifts? Any changes? For quick reference, we did lifting water. Inhale up, exhale down. We lifted up into the Tai Chi ready position, and then hugging a tree or holding a ball in front. We separated open and close. Inhale on the open, exhale on the close. We rotated the ball and dropped it, compressing the ball and letting the ball expand. Exhale on the compression, inhale on the expansion, and then we did yin-yang hands, one up, one down. Always changing, compressing, expanding, inhaling, rotating, compressing, exhaling, and just repeating, never stopping. Then we came back to ready position and we just sunk the hands and closed. This is a simple exercise that you can take with you anytime you need to calm the body and calm the mind. And as a gentle warm-up to your Tai Chi practice. Please check out the rest of our Chair Tai Chi videos in this playlist. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.